In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive. By the end, you'll have your Google Drive linked so you can easily pull files into your Grok chats and work with your documents without leaving the conversation. First, open your Grok account. Use your preferred browser and sign in so you land on the main chat interface. If you're returning after some time away, give the page a moment to fully load so all the chat tools appear. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Grok profile you want to use with Google Drive. Next, look for the chat area, usually marked with a prompt like Chat Here. Click into that space so the message box is active. This ensures all the controls tied to the chat, including attachments, are visible and ready to use. Now, click the Attach option. You'll typically find it right next to the message box, often shown as a paperclip icon. When you click Attach, a small menu will open with different ways to add or connect files. If the menu doesn't open, quickly refresh the page and try again. From that menu, select Connect Google Drive. This tells Grok you want to link your Google files to the chat. The moment you choose this, Grok will hand things off to Google in a secure way so you can confirm the connection. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the connection. You may see a Google sign-in window or a panel asking you to choose which Google account to use. Pick the account that actually holds the Drive files you plan to access. If you're already signed into multiple Google accounts, double-check you select the right one. Next, review the permissions. These explain what access Grok needs to read or attach files from your Drive. Click Allow to proceed. If you use two-step verification, complete that step as usual. If a pop-up was blocked, enable it just for this action and click Connect Google Drive again. Once you finish the prompts, you'll be taken back to your chat. You'll know the connection worked when you see a confirmation on screen, or you're able to browse your Drive after clicking Attach again. From here, you can select files directly from your Drive whenever you're chatting, keeping everything in one smooth workflow. That's it. Open Grok, go to Chat, click Attach, select Connect Google Drive, and follow the prompts. Take a moment to verify the right account is linked and you're ready to go.